Okay, buckle your seatbelts. This is going to be an amazing video.
Oh yeah.
My camera's about to die, so we're going to take a really good look at this Lexus. Have you ever driven a big old Lexus like this?
No, I'm a man.
You're a man?
And I like trucks. This is for girls.
This is for soccer moms.
This is definitely for girls.
LX470. No, they're great trucks.
For girls, yes.
For girls?
No, I'm kidding. It actually is a pretty beefy.
Yeah.
It's a beefy looking SUV.
You see these all over, I want to say Africa, out in the Sahara, because they are. It's the Land Cruiser, but it's the Lexus version, so it's a little bit nicer, I guess you could say. This one, oh, well, this is nice when you find at least they tried to use the same color.
This is real
tape.
nice, Mike. This is really nice.
This is quality here.
I'm blown away by the niceness of this.
Okay.
Do you hear the sarcasm?
I can feel the sarcasm. I can hear it and I can feel it. It's got the side seats on the back, which I think are really, really cool.
Oh, jump seats.
Jump seats,
yeah.
Yep. These seats would come back to life really, really easily. I don't know about the ones in front. You'd have to really... Where's my button? There it is. Here you go. See?
Oh, it's like a BMW with the gate.
Yes. So you can sit right here and watch your kids play soccer. Or you can sit right here on the side of the road and wait for your tow truck.
That's
just dangle your feet. Yeah.
Look at all the stickers. See? Ventura, California. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's kind of a cool place to put them.
Yeah, who would have thought, right?
Yeah.
You'd never see them until you open it up and you're sitting back here or something, right?
Yeah. And then you
like
remember,
that.
oh, remember that time we went here and worshiped the
Skechers?
devil? Yeah, we. I don't know. Tool bag right here, I'm guessing. Yeah. Well, there's a strap right there. Are you going to climb in and?
Well, I've never seen jump seats that were this big.
Yeah.
And comfortable looking. Like normally jump seats are really crap. So. Oh, they're third row.
I thought they were side facing, but I guess not.
What?
That's how you. It doesn't just pull up. Randy's going to break his back right here.
I'm really confused here.
Let's see how we can get in
there
this.
There it is. Got it.
Okay. Oh. Yeah, hop in there and see. Tell me what you think about that.
Let me.
This seat's comfortable. There you go. There's a little knee room for you. Randy's wearing shorts today.
Well.
Yeah, that's. You got a problem with your feet.
This isn't for people.
No.
This is for kids. You put your kids in here, it'd be all right.
There it is.
Or you pull this and what does this do? Nothing?
Oh, it should.
I don't know, it
should fold forward, I would think.
Oh, these fold too?
Oh, here.
Well.
Here you go, like this.
Yeah, now see.
Now.
But why would you want to sit like...
Oh, see, you're breaking
Lexus
stuff.
quality. Well, see, the reason that came off is there's a screw missing.
Yeah.
So somebody already... But yeah, like why would you want to... Well, I guess you could...
If you're in a really big argument with your wife while she's driving, you sit back
no,
there.
if we're in an argument, I better be the one driving. Because she might roll us off a cliff or something, you know, like taking you with me.
That sounds like you're speaking from experience.
I am.
Yeah. No, I do. I've always wanted one of these. Terrible gas mileage. But they're just big, old, beefy, old school SUVs. This is nice. I don't know if it's going to start.
It won't.
You don't think
Oh,
so?
I promise you. It's got a dead battery. I guarantee it.
Yeah.
It's a Lexus.
Ugh. Oh.
Whoa.
Look at the key. Look at the key. It's broken in half. You can't even.
They probably left it on.
Yeah,
they?
you can
They
turn
left
it, but
on
yeah. Look at that. Well, how much is a Lexus key? This is nice. The wood is nice and everything right here. Well, let's just pop the hood real quick.
Good old Toyota engine. What is it? A 4 point what? 4 point. What were they? 4.7, 4
I
point.
don't know.
Oh, the cover's missing.
Do those? That isn't even gonna. Okay. That looks nice though. I don't see anything major. The belt is kind of cracked.
It's a 2UZFE, whatever that means.
Okay.
We're not in my wheelhouse anymore. 4.7.
4.7. Okay, let's see if we can give her some gas. Oh, the mirrors are folding. That's nice. Guess how many miles? Just look at the engine.
280,000.
More.
To what? 4?
More. Higher.
More?
Higher.
350.
Lower.
320.
308. 300,000 mile engine. Are there any timing belt stickers?
No.
Oh,
It's never had one, Mike.
never had one.
Never had one. They Bluetooth the timing belt. No, I don't see any timing belt stickers.
But look how smooth it runs though. Look how they plaster welded the intake thing right there. Look at that. This runs good.
It really does. There's one thing, I may not care for Lexus or Toyota, but you cannot deny that they are just rock solid, reliable vehicles.
Absolutely.
I hate them for that.
I would love this car right here. I really would. The tires are good.
It'll tow.
It'll tow anything. You need a windshield and a couple of front seats.
Does the air conditioner work?
I haven't even got that far yet. No, I don't know. We got the new car scent
See?
right here.
In case you can't tell, air conditioning's a deal breaker for me.
Okay. Auto, fan, temperature, cold. Give me some cold air. Please be cold. Please be.
Feels cold to me.
Oh, that feels good. This has height control.
Yeah, right there.
Let's see what happens.
Comfort, sport.
Let's see if we'll do something here. Is she going up? She's going down.
Yeah, it works.
Wow.
What Mercedes would do that after 300,000 miles?
None.
Yeah, none.
None of them. Four-wheel drive. This is, you could change all that right there. Put in something. I like this.
This is nice.
Oh, I would drive this for a long time.
Differential lock. This thing is really, like, this should be a really capable off-road vehicle.
Mm-hmm.
You got your power mode, and if it's snowy out, you can start in second.
Uh-huh.
What year is this? We don't know.
We don't know.
It doesn't say.
99. 05 of 99. So it's 24 years old. And it runs like this with 300,000 miles.
You gonna drive it to see how it drives with 300,000 miles? That's the tagline to your video right there.
How does it drive?
How does a 310,000 mile Lexus really drive?
Yeah. Hold my beer. Let me get my bag.
You can have beer here? They got beer here? Nobody told me. Does the unimportant window work? Yes, it does. The unimportant window works.
Okay. It's got a roof rack, a little side step. The high thing, the high button is blinking. I don't know what that even means. Maybe it's just because I'm high? I'm way up here?
Maybe it's because you're high.
Maybe.
Could be, Mike. It could
Now
be.
let's go to in. Oh, that was me.
I didn't get your face in that. Let's redo that clip. Let's
Yeah.
do that again. He jumped out of his skin.
Yeah, noises.
That's fine. That's just
Are we in four-wheel drive?
that's what I'm wondering.
Yeah.
I think you're in four-wheel drive. Well, it's got high, neutral, and low, and that's it. You should be in high.
Yeah. Oh, no wonder my ass is hot. Did you do that?
Yeah, I did.
You did. You. There. Okay.
Comfort.
Here. Right here. You can turn it off right here, right?
Yeah, I think. Right? I don't know. I don't know how to work this Lexus. Ooh. There's something on that front end field. Is it better now? Ooh.
No, she's in.
It's in four-wheel drive.
We're in four-wheel drive now. Does it have to be? How do you change it?
Oh, great. Now it's stuck. What if you put this in neutral?
Yeah.
Does that change anything?
AT/P is on the. That should turn off. Maybe you have to go a little bit.
I don't think it'll go with the transfer case in neutral.
Oh, okay.
I think it's got to be in high. Put it in neutral.
Now on the tracker, I have to back up a little bit to unlock the front. Is that what you have to do here?
So far, the test drive is going
Yeah.
really well.
I'm afraid to go around the
Yeah.
aisle here.
Ooh,
Yeah, that's
that's
four-wheel drive.
squirrely. Yeah, it's like it's stuck.
Yeah.
I'm surprised there's no way you can put this in.
It's got to be this button, but it won't come out.
Okay. Well, if you guys know how this works, you might want to leave a comment down below because neither one of us can figure it out. Yeah, it's going around those corners is what you can feel it. What do they call that? Crow walking or crab walking or? Yeah. If it was wet out here, that'd be great.
Where was this parked? I don't even remember.
Yeah, I don't know.
It was right over here, wasn't it? We just went that way.
A GLC 43 AMG. Uh-oh.
Ah!
Uh-oh.
I think it was right here.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it was kind of by the.
Sure.
This did not go well.
Well, that was a wonderful test drive, Mike.
Why, thank you.
So
Are
now
you
we know
impressed?
how a 300,000 mile Lexus drives. It
Pretty
doesn't.
crappy. It won't.
No. I'll
'Cause
bet
that should
you
be off.
You gotta shut it off and then hope it starts back up again. Maybe if you shut it off, it go out. Watch, dead as a doornail.
Yeah, she's a goner. She's a goner. Now I got junk on my fingers. All right. Well, what a great video. Yeah, okay. The phone has that much life left in it, so we're going to end this video. This car has that much life left in it, so we're going to end our time in the car.
Somebody's gonna drop a comment and tell you what you did wrong.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I didn't even. Is there even an owner's manual in there?
Yeah.
Oh, there is.
Yeah,
So we should have checked that.
And a file
Uh-oh.
with
Receipts.
receipts
Okay.
from Bob Moore.
Nice.
Let's see. Oh, this is a retail purchase agreement from 7 of 15 for
Okay.
$5,500
Really?
in 2015.
That's.
It's almost 10 years ago. Number of tires, 4.
Oh.
Wow.
Great.
that's-
Okay.
And it had 256,000 miles on it in 2015. So they only drove it, what, 50,000 miles?
Yeah.
In almost 10 years.
10 years.
Wow.
Because they couldn't figure out the 4x4
Because-
part. Yeah. Go subscribe to Randy's channel if you haven't. He likes to poke around in glove boxes and find the real history of the cars.
Oh, yeah. And
there you go. That's it. We're back with another video very soon. Okay, bye.